Oh God, there is a gerbil.
Animals, oh, there are gerbils there. Yeah, definitely animal abuse.
What the heck? I got a gerbil.
What the heck?
There's multiple gerbils in his pants.
Multiple.
Is everything okay? Okay.
We're just advising that our suspect has multiple gerbils in his hands.
Okay.
On July 9th, 2024, officers with the Columbus Division of Police made an arrest that will go down in history. They caught a man in a leopard print onesie who had gerbils concealed in his pants. The night started when the officers responded to a call of a break-in at a local restaurant called Roosters. The officers searched the building and located a bloody rock inside.
Yeah, that makes sense. It'd be dried, but it's. It looks like blood, though.
A manager from the restaurant called the dispatch center with a description of the suspect.
I'm the manager. I did a couple on the cameras, and I got a description of the person, so I was just going to give you guys that.
Yeah, what's the person that's inside?
It looks like a late teens to mid-20s Hispanic male, long enough hair that I can see it, not buzz cut. He has I can't tell if it's camo, but it's a print sweatsuit on.
You said what color suit on?
It almost looks camo, but I don't think it's camo, but it's a print like that.
154, that's our known suspect from a run earlier. We'll go ahead and get you a city ID on it. It's going to be Matthew Pancake, and city ID is 38004 Charles. It's wearing a zip-up cheetah print suit, and it has a feather through his left ear.
A few moments later, the officers were dispatched on a call about a break-in at a local pet store. The officers arrived on scene and found several animals roaming free.
Oh, sorry, bud. I did not see you there.
Yeah, there's a lot of blood there. Well, it's clear. I definitely can't put him in Pino, too.
Is there anybody out back?
There's birds. You got another car to slide up this way. We still have to clear this. There's about 20 exotic birds, a couple bunnies, and a couple dogs running around the parking lot right now.
All right, 9190, 9191. You guys turn that way on a 50.
Come here. You're okay. Come here. Come here. You're okay. Come here.
9190, copy.
Come here, buddy. You're okay.
Thanks for head up there.
Okay.
Boom.
There we go.
Two of them.
Marty, we're going to start trying to catch all these exotic birds.
I've never catch a bird.
I'm not a bird guy. I have no idea what to do. You got blood all over you, buddy. Come on. I don't know if you're gonna bite or what. I've never touched a bird. Exactly. Exactly. I ain't blood. Not touching the bird.
Yeah, I'm hitting him by his head.
Here, you.
Go in there, fly away.
You can see this motherfucker bit me hard.
Sure did. Alright, so question is so he came out, because he's leaking pretty good in there. Did he hit up there? Well, he had to have hit up Roosters, because that's how the rock got bloody. And we never got an alarm from here, right?
Right.
So he hit this place first, then hit Roosters, because that's where the rock came from.
Yeah, but he's bleeding a lot more here.
But he could have wrapped it up in the meantime.
Got a net by chance?
I know, that's the thing. It's like,
I'm going to go down and talk to the key holder.
gloves on.
The key holder pulled in down there.
While searching for the suspect and rescuing lost animals, the officers found a local clothing store that had also been broken into.
Do what? We're good if you want to keep going south.
I hit that corner. I was like, why is there all these shoes and stuff on the corner of Aldi? You broke into the store.
No, there's blood there too.
Yeah, I think this was after the fact though.
Well, at least,
After he hit Fentanyl, so he has to head south.
yeah.
And I drove down. I'm like, oh yeah, he broke into the store.
Is there anything I see some shit down there about the cart.
Yeah, he threw some stuff in there, and then there's past Aldi. There's a bunch of.
There is still stuff past?
Yeah, there's stuff past Aldi.
Okay.
So he walked with everything.
Alright.
So it looked like he
That's why I was coming back down here. I was like, go back to deer tracking. Follow the blood drops, you know?
While the officers were tied up on the three scenes, a citizen who had been listening to a police scanner called 911, stating she located the suspect sleeping peacefully on a bench near another shopping center.
I'm by the Big Lots that's next to the Planet Fitness by the Silver Horn Center on Roberts Road. So have you heard about the guy who broke into Petland? Yes. I'm looking right at him. He's asleep on a bench. He's in the leopard print. I can't see any blood on him, but...
The officers responded to the area and found Mr. Matthew Pancake sleeping peacefully on a bench and placed him under arrest. During a search incident to arrest, the officers located 2 gerbils in his pants.
Mr. Pancake, you're under arrest.
Don't move.
Get on your belly. Get on your fucking belly. What the hell's going on?
Get on your belly. On your belly.
Roll over. Get on your belly, Mr. Pancake.
Get on your belly.
In the name of the law, Pancake, get on your belly. I got one hand. You kidding me? What the fuck? Give up your other hand.
Where's that hand? Other hand right here.
They wanted to got me.
He's got cuffs. There's a lot of blood.
Yeah.
Good have a medic on the way.
Okay, I'll have a medic start that way.
Well, in the day's work, boys.
Good job, Mr. Pancakes. Knew we'd find him eventually.
Where are the gerbils?
Where are the gerbils? In case nobody mentioned it already, you're under arrest. I think we did like 7 times. Go ahead and roll on side.
You got clothes on under this? There's the penis/wound.
Said he was taking them for arson.
Oh, there's something in this.
Yeah, when am I even arrested for this bullshit? I was literally just walking around.
Okay. What happened to your hand?
My hands, I've been working all day. I've been walking for days.
Katie, go ahead.
There's a bunch of
Mikey driving in at
stuff up
5479.
here.
You guys randomly invite me for Jesus Christ.
5439 Roberts Road, I copy. And is it okay for the medics to go in? I told him it was.
We haven't got that.
A bunch of glass in his pants.
Huh? Is it glass?
Glass.
Yeah.
There's a dog collar. Hold on. Somebody actually flip it for me.
What the hell am I under arrest for? Seriously.
Breaking and entering. Theft. The
They're more
fuck?
damaging.
Oh god, there is a gerbil.
Animals, oh, there are gerbils in there. Yeah, definitely animal abuse.
What the heck? I got a gerbil.
What the heck?
There's multiple gerbils in his pants.
Multiple.
Is everything okay?
Covered.
Okay.
We're just advising that our suspect has multiple gerbils in his hands.
Okay.
Somebody get my shears.
Do you have any more pets?
Do you have any more gerbils on you? Grab my shears and cut further up that pant leg. And probably this one because there's shit in there too.
I don't do rats. Mice, I don't.
It's not a rat, it's a gerbil.
It's a gerbil. How many gerbils guys you invest?
Breaking and entering.
We've told you multiple times. You have blood all over you, and you have merchandise
And
that
glass.
you stole.
And gerbils.
And gerbils that you stole and abused too.
Keep trying for property crimes. I
Somebody
tried
have
multiple
my
times on the detective channel and all
Want a
things.
bag for them?
They're not
Oh, that seems
answering.
mean. They've been traumatized enough.
That's a bag.
I mean, the shoes.
Oh, these are some Ugg boots.
If you don't get a hold of them on property crimes channel, reach out to robbery. The robbery detectives will see you walking over there.
Do you want me to hang on to these as evidence or photograph them and return them to the store?
Let me get a photo.
Let's check. Make sure when we stand him up, we check him real careful for more gerbils in his pants.
Yep.
Lots of glass falling out.
LT, we got the I'm sorry, LTs. We got the gerbils.
Yeah,
We
they
hope
were in his
there's
pants. Oh, this is the greatest run ever.
This is awesome. What's up, man?
Four-minute ride back. They're gerbils. Kiss it.
Alright, you're holding this. I'm not holding this.
Hey, that's all the evidence we need. There's your PC for PetSmart.